everyone, my name is Anne and this is my very first YouTube video. So welcome to my channel. My videos are going to be mostly focused on beauty products, so if that interests you, hopefully you'll subscribe to see some of my future videos. For my first video, I wanted to do a unboxing and mini review of my Lucky Bag for 2018. Now, if you don't know anything about the Lucky Bag, it's offered by Beautylish.com. I guess I should say that this video is not sponsored. I bought the bag with my own money. I wanted to buy it last year and I missed the boat and didn't get one. So this year I subscribed to the email notification so I would be notified when they were available. In this video, I will go over a few different things. I'll go over the things that I got in my Lucky Bag. I will talk about the actual value of each of the individual items, and then I'll go over how much I paid for the box and what the delivery was like. I live in Canada, so sometimes that's of interest for us Canadians because things can take a lot longer or be a lot more expensive than those in the United States. So as I mentioned, the Lucky Bag is offered by Beautylish, and I signed up to receive the early notification, so I purchased my Lucky Bag for on December 27th for $75 US, which works out to be about $93 Canadian. I should mention that the Lucky Bag actually comes in a box, so it comes in really nice paper as well. So I'll go through the items in my bag from my least excited to most excited. So the first thing that I received is the Clean Apothecary Brush Shampoo in the Rose scent. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't super thrilled at getting this product, but at the same time, this is super practical and I actually do need something like this. I honestly just used soap to wash my brushes. I was a little concerned because this came in the scent Rose, but it doesn't really smell like rose. I don't really like the smell of rose, so it doesn't actually smell too much like rose. So I haven't tried this out yet. I will be hopefully using it today because I should be cleaning my brushes today. The second product that I got that I was second least excited about, but curious about because I didn't know anything about this, was the Nayod Sanskrit Saponins. I'm going to mispronounce that. I didn't know anything about this. I know it came from Nayod is a brand that's from Deciem, who also owns the brand The Ordinary, so I was pretty interested in seeing what this was. So I went online and decided to look up what this product was about. And on the website they refer to it as SS, and I'm going to refer to it as SS so I don't mess up the name anymore. And it says, SS is a viscous and intense cleaning balm for the face formulated with highly concentrated, very unrefined Ayurvedic plant surfactants, unsupported by any modern cleaning technology. And then I scroll down a little bit further. It's a pretty lengthy description. And it says, SS is a cleaning balm that concentrates Ayurvedic saponins. They're unrefined and messy. They borrow their color and smell from a place far away from today's maddening crowd of refinement. Had me a little bit concerned. I haven't used this yet, but I have smelled it, and it's kind of a beige colored balm type product. It kind of smells like wet flower. So I see what they were saying, that it's definitely not a spa-like experience product, but I'm very curious and interested to try it. It says, with continued use, it visibly targets all forms of buildup, blemishes, congestion, and impurities. At first use, SS leaves the skin looking nearly pore-free and its surface exceptionally clean, as if it's radiating within. Sounds really good. I'm kind of excited to try this out. I am finishing up my First Aid Pure Skin Facial Cleanser. I got this in a little kit in November at the Sephora VIB sale. It's okay. I like it. Would I repurchase it? Maybe not. I have other things I like a little bit better. So once this is finished, in about probably this week I'll finish it, I'm going to start using this, and I'll let you know. I'll let you know if I like it or not. Again, pretty curious and interested to try this out. The next thing that I got that I was pretty excited about actually was the Wayne Goss number 14 brush. I had heard that often Wayne Goss brushes were in boxes, so I was pretty excited to receive one. And this is a cheek brush, and this is the first really high-end brush I've ever owned. So it feels really soft. I've used it a few times, that's why it's dirty. I've used it for highlighting, and yeah, so I like it. I'm really happy that I got this. Next up, I got the Joyeux Skinny Dip Lip Topper lip gloss. It's essentially a lip gloss, I think. I'm wearing it today over top of the Maybelline Touch of Spice matte lipstick. I was pretty excited to get this. I'd been looking at this online, and I'd been looking at Tarte has a lip topper that was part of their Christmas collection, and I decided not buy either one of those because I'm on a bit of a no buy, low buy project right now. One of my future videos will cover that. And so this is pretty exciting to get, and it smells a little bit like vanilla. It's very, very sparkly. I wouldn't probably wear this on a day-to-day basis, but for special events, or if I just wanted, a little bit of bling, it's quite nice. Next up, I got the Glow Kit from Anastasia in Sun Dipped, and this is really pretty. I was really, really excited to receive this. The colors are really, really nice. They do feel very summery, so I'm not sure how well they'll work for me throughout these winter months where I'm very pale, other than these two colors on the side, which I'm actually wearing both of these today, and I applied with the Wayne Goss brush. So those two colors are Summer and Moonstone. I was feeling that these two might be too dark for me, but the tourmaline is actually not that dark, so it might work for me. And I probably will want to use this as a eyeshadow as well. The bronze is definitely way too dark for me, but again, I'm curious to try this in the summer as just maybe a glow over top bronzer. I think it might look really nice. And last up is, it's a little bit dirty because I've been using it, is the Natasha Nona Holiday Joyeux palette. Very excited to receive this as well, and I was really hoping I was going to receive an eyeshadow palette, and this one is really, really pretty. The colors are beautiful. The only color that I'm a little hesitant is the gold color. It's not really a color that I would gravitate towards, so I haven't actually used that color yet, but I've used all the other ones and I really like them. I'm wearing this color on the end today, which is peach gold, I think, or maybe it's star bronze. I feel like that might be star bronze. I think they have the colors in the reverse order. Yes. So I'm wearing this color today, which is star bronze, on my eyes, and yeah, it's really nice. Do I think it's worth getting a high-end palette? Probably not an everyday purchase, but they are really nice. It blends really nice. I would not buy this regularly, so yeah, it was a nice little gift to myself. So that's everything that I received and the little reviews that I can give so far. I ordered the Lucky Bag on December 27th, and I paid in total with shipping and taxes $130.93 Canadian. So the actual box was $75 US, which works out to be $93 Canadian. So the individual price items for each of the items, the Anastasia Glow Kit retails for $52 Canadian. The Natasha Nona palette retails for $61 Canadian. Holy crap! The Joyeux lip topper retails for $21 Canadian. The Wayne Goss brush retails for $33 Canadian. The Nona facial cleanser retails for $29 Canadian. And the brush cleanser, I couldn't find a Canadian price for it, but on the Beautylish site, I converted it over to Canadian, and it's about $18.63. So, the total value of the lucky bag was $214.63 Canadian, and I paid $93.16 Canadian. So that's a difference of about $121. So I got more than 50% off on all of these products. Do I think it's worth it? Maybe not an everyday purchase, but I decided to buy it as a little Christmas gift to myself, and definitely to spoil myself. I hadn't bought any really high-end makeup recently, and I just wanted to treat myself. Would I buy it next year? Maybe. It'll depend on where I'm at in my makeup journey, and I'll explain that a little further in a later video. I'm on a no-buy, low-buy project right now, and a project pan inspired by a lot of other YouTubers on here. So we'll see how that goes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are curious to see more videos from me, please subscribe below. I know this is my first video, so I do have a list of 10 or more videos that I am ready to record, so hopefully I will get some of those posted up soon. And I know the setup is maybe not the best right now. I'm still working on lighting and video and editing. It's all new to me. So I know in the future the quality of my videos will get better, and hopefully you will come along this journey with me. And thanks for watching. Bye.